Here at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, we are proud to present this Land Rover Defender SE, finishing the very sleek Hakuba Silver. It's a 3-litre diesel, and it is sitting on those stunning 20-inch gloss black alloys, working well with the exterior styling, and you have also got the rear privacy glass there as well, working well with that silver finish. Showing you the practicality of the vehicle now. When the rear seats are raised, you've still got a practical amount of boot space, and these can be easily lowered to really enhance the practicality of the vehicle. It does come equipped with the electrically deployable tow bar, perfect for all your towing needs. And you've got the Meridian sound system, as well as the electric memory function front seats, and a very well presented dashboard there as well. This vehicle does come equipped with the sliding panoramic sunroof and a huge amount of natural lighting, always nice to have on a vehicle. Taking a seat inside, you've got ease of access to the navigation system, as well as your 3D surround camera, working in hand with your parking aid, ensuring full confidence when getting into those tight spaces. You've also got ease of access to the heated and cooled front seats, perfect for use all year round, truly enhancing the luxury within. And you have also got ease of access to the electrically deployable tow bar. For more information regarding this vehicle, please give us a call on 01228 599 000. Thank you.